Bonjour. In the previous class, we did the alphabets pronunciation. So now today's class, we will learn the alphabet sounds. As you know, in English, we have learned these alphabets sounds with the A, apple, B, ball, C, cat, D, dog. The same way in French, we will learn the alphabet sounds. As you know, the few alphabet sounds are different and rest same as that of English. So now you can see that A, alphabet is A, the sound is A. B, then the sound is B. C, then the sound is S. D, then the sound is D. Then the sound is F, it's just a F. J, the sound is J. H will be silent. There is no sound. E, G, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, and Z. D'accord? So repeat after me. That is A, B, C, S, D, F, G, J, H will be silent. E, G, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, and then Z. D'accord? So please practice it and revise it. The alphabet sounds. These are very important. These sounds are very important. You have to learn first of all the alphabet sounds.